Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this makeup look that you see right now. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I'm keeping this intro pretty short because I never know what to say. But if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post a new upload. So with that being said, please stay tuned to see how I achieve this makeup look. Okay, so as always, my brows are on. Let's go ahead and prime my eyelids for some eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to prime my eyes. I have no idea what kind of makeup look I want to do. I'm just sitting here thinking like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? So I'm gonna be taking the Violet Voss Pro palette, and this is my Holy Grail palette, and it looks like this. This palette is so gorgeous. So many different shades. So I'm gonna be taking this palette to do a look. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do, but this is the palette that I'm gonna use. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the shade right here. It says, "Are you kidding me?" And I'm going to mix it in with this brown shade, Brownie Point. So I'm going to mix these two as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into this darker shade right here, Teddy Bear. And I'm going to be using the smaller blending brush. This is a Morphe 506 to apply that in my crease. So I do want to tell you guys things that I've been doing, because I know it's been a while, so I'm just going to give you guys a little update. So I know that last time I was telling you guys that I was really excited about 2019 because I was going to be doing some things, and I forgot to mention that I did take classes to become a certified lash technician. So I'm really excited about that. So I have I'll probably give myself like another couple weeks before I'll be able to get certified. I'll have my certification to do lashes. So that's really been taking up a lot of my time because I didn't know how tedious the process was for doing, you know, individual lashes, and it's definitely very tedious. So that's what I've been really focusing on, trying to get my certification for my lashes, so that I can get that on and popping. My plan is to eventually, you know, be able to make that my full-time job. Working my 9 to 5, it's just not working out for me anymore. Like, I'm just not happy at the job, and I feel like once you get into the point to where you're just not happy about, you know, about where you work, and at that point it's just time to go. So I'm really trying to make sure that I focus on the things that I want to do instead of focusing, you know, working so many hours at work and helping out someone else when honestly it's not helping me out at all. So yes, I did decide to go ahead and take the class to get certified to become a lash technician. And I feel like in the beauty industry, there's always going to be so much money in the beauty industry, because no matter what, females want to look beautiful, and that's just not going to go away. Like, makeup and anything beauty related is never going to go away. So I feel like I decided to jump into, you know, an industry where it's always going to thrive, basically. There's never going to be a time when girls are going to stop getting their nails done. We're never going to stop getting our feet done, getting your eyebrows done, getting lashes, buying makeup. That's just never going to stop. I don't ever see it not ending. So it's definitely something that's very secure, and I'm excited to start my lash journey, and I cannot wait until I'm certified and I can start doing lashes on real clients. And then eventually, once, you know, I start gaining a lot more clientele and I'm booked and busy, I can quit my normal job and just solely work on my own. That is definitely the goal that I'm trying to achieve. So I'm hoping that I'm able to become my own little girl boss at least before 2020. So that's definitely a goal that I'm doing. Another thing is I really need to get my health in order. So I need to start eating healthy, working out. Like, I really need to get serious about that, because that's just, your health is nothing to play around with, and I just need to get serious about it. So I'm gonna go back in with brownie points, and Are You Kidding Me right here. And I'm just going to go back over that lightly. So if you guys have anything that you want to do, like, you know, career wise, you have to start doing it. Like, you're never going to do something by just saying it. The only way it's going to happen is if you start making the moves to actually do it. And I will say that I'm definitely one of the people like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, but I'm just saying it, but I'm not making any moves in order to achieve the things that I want to do. So keep that in mind. At the end of the day, the only person you're letting down is yourself. And before you know it, life is just going to pass you by, and all the things that you said that you wanted to do, you know, before you know it, you just never did it, because you said all those times that, oh, I'm going to go back to school and I'm going to do this, or I'm going to go and get that degree, or go ahead and get that certification. I want to do this, I want to go ahead and get my license. Whatever it is, do it. Just saying it is never going to happen, and that's facts. So the only person that you can blame is yourself. You are in charge of everything that you do in your life, and you should definitely, you know, take the initiative to do the things that you want to do. Okay, so next, I think I'm going to add in this dark shade right here. It's called Wine and Dine, this burgundy shade. And I'm gonna take the same brush that I used, the Morphe M506, and I'm going to apply that right on top of the brown shade, just a little bit, just to give it a little pop of color. Nothing too crazy. And I'm also gonna work that in my outer corner as well. But when I do become a certified lash technician, I still want to continue to do my YouTube videos. So it's just doing, I'm not sure if you guys know, but YouTube is not easy. A lot of people think, oh, you just sit down in front of the camera, you're recording, you post, done. That is literally not how it is. Before you can even start turning the camera on, you have to set up. You have to make sure your lighting is correct, you know, set everything up. Then you get to actually film the video. That can take some time, because, you know, there can be many disruptions. Like, my brother called me twice while I'm doing this video. I'm just like, look, he talking about freaking puppies and getting cages and crap. Like, look, I'm trying to film my video. I don't got time to be talking about getting a puppy and different crates. And then once you do that, you know, of course you have to edit the video. Before you can edit the video, you have to upload the footage to your computer. That can take some time. Then you have to edit the video. That definitely takes a lot of time, depending on how good you are with editing, how much you want to do. Like, do you want to add a bunch of effects to the video? I'm a very basic editor because I don't really know much about it. I know how to do the basics, basically. And it doesn't take me that long to edit, but it definitely can take a while depending on how long the video is. Once you do that, you have to save, you have to export that to your computer. Then you have to upload that to YouTube. That can take a couple hours. It's just a long process. And then you have to do your thumbnail, and then you can finally post the video. So it's definitely not something where it's like, oh, you just make videos and you just post it and keep it moving. There's a lot that goes into it, if you didn't know. But I definitely want to continue doing my makeup videos, so don't worry. Just because I'm going to come as a certified lash technician does not mean that I'm just going to stop YouTube, because I thoroughly enjoy making videos. Even though you guys probably can't tell because I'm not consistent with posting. I'm just so busy. I feel like I don't have time, and then I'm just so freaking tired. It's always something that I have to do. Like, there's literally always something for me to do. If it's not me, you know, practicing my lashes on my mannequin, because me doing a full set of lashes takes me hours. It could take me a whole day, and sometimes I have to go into the next day because I'm like, look, my back is hurting, my shoulders is hurting, I need a break. But the more that I practice, the faster that I get. So if it's not that, then I have to clean. It's just always something that I need to do. So it's so hard for me to sit down and film these videos. Like right now I'm filming, and what time is it? It's 8:30. I never ever film this late. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film a video. I'm going to film a video, and this is what I'm doing. Oh, and by the way, I did a video on how I achieved my wash and go. I'm not sure if this video will be up first or if this hair tutorial video will be up first, but I did film how I achieved my wash and goes as well. So be on the lookout for that video if I don't post this video first. I'm not sure which one's gonna be posted first, but they both will be up for sure. Next, I'm gonna cut my crease using my Maybelline concealer. I'm gonna be taking this flat brush to cut my crease. Wow, I just messed that up really bad. You see that? I'm going to fix it. I'm going to show you guys how when you mess up, you can always fix it. I didn't want to go all the way down. I just did like most of my eye, and I just left like a fourth of it blank. My eyes are so uneven. Like one eye is way bigger than the other, and I actually noticed that when I'm cutting my crease, like one is higher than the other because my eyes are uneven. Alright, so to fix this eye, all I'm going to do is take the brush that I used and I'm just going to blend. Voila, magic. And that was so easy and so simple. Alright, so I'm going to take this shade right here, Cool Beans. I'm going to be applying that on my lid. Going back in with the Morphe brush, I'm going to be blending. I'm going to go back in with Wine and Dine, the really dark purple shade, this burgundy shade right here. I'm going to apply that in my outer corner just to deepen that up, make sure that it's blended in with this gold. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be taking my Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. For foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade Coconut. To conceal, I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan. Contour, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cocoa. I'm going to set my concealer with the Calyx Cosmetics Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. It's freaking long, but I think that's the name. While I'm baking, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour. To set my contour, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this powder. For my bottom lash line, I'm going to be taking this Morphe M169 brush. Looks like this. And I'm going to be taking the shade Wine and Dine again. And I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Teddy Bear, which was this dark shade. I'm going to apply that right underneath. I'm going to go ahead and give my face a little spritz. Oh shit. Taking this Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, I'm going to apply a thin layer of eyeliner on the top of my eye. For mascara, I'm taking the Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula to prep for false lashes. I'm going to be taking these lashes. It's called Lashaholic Luxury Lash. It looks like this. I'm going to be using these lashes. So of course I'm going to apply my lashes offline. I said offline. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right for lips. I'm going to be taking this Ofra. This is the Ofra Cosmetics. What's the shade of this? Verona. Looks like this. I'm going to be taking this shade for lips, but first I'm going to line my lips with the MAC Cork Lip Liner. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also comment down some purple hearts in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one.